From classrooms to offices, erasers serve as our little aids in removing pencil marks and fine-tuning artworks. Ever thought about the journey of an eraser from raw materials to your desk? Designed to make corrections a breeze, these simple tools are vital in various aspects of daily life. Stay with us as we explore the making of these beloved helpers. History, roots of the eraser trace back to long before its accidental rediscovery in 1770 by Edward Nairn, an English engineer. In fact, the first eraser was already in use by the indigenous people of Central and South America before the arrival of the Europeans. They utilized natural rubber, a resource plentiful in their region, to create primitive erasers. Much later, in 1770, Nairn stumbled upon the unique erasing properties of rubber when he mistakenly used a piece of it instead of bread to remove pencil marks, introducing the rubber eraser to Europe. This was a significant shift from the earlier methods, which mainly involved using breadcrumbs or a damp cloth to erase graphite marks. However, the natural rubber had a few downsides. It emitted a strong, unpleasant smell and deteriorated quickly. Seeking to address these issues, manufacturers experimented by mixing rubber with various substances, aiming to enhance its longevity and reduce the odor. The addition of sulfur to the mix proved to be a successful solution, laying the foundation for the modern, more durable eraser we are familiar with today. Materials. The creation of erasers starts with the selection of the right raw materials. In the past, natural rubber was the go-to choice. But today, manufacturers often opt for PVC, polyvinyl chloride, or TPR, thermoplastic rubber, as main components. These materials, mixed with plasticizers, fillers, and coloring agents, come together to make the modern eraser, ready to fix small pencil errors and fine-tune artworks. Nowadays, there exists a diverse range of erasers, each formulated with its distinct blend of materials to serve a specific purpose. The most common type is the pencil eraser, often pink and affixed to the end of a pencil, designed to easily erase graphite marks. Then there are plastic or vinyl erasers, known for their softer texture and ability to erase cleanly without tearing the paper. For artists, kneaded erasers are a popular choice. They can be shaped into any form, making it easier to erase small, detailed areas. Additionally, electric erasers, equipped with a rotating eraser tip, offer precision and are often used in technical drawing and drafting. Believe it or not, eraser collecting is a serious hobby. Petra Engels from Germany has made it quite the pursuit, amassing a staggering collection of 19,571 different erasers. Impressive, isn't it? Next, we'll look into how these raw materials are transformed in the manufacturing process. Mixing. The first major step in the production of erasers is the mixing process. Initially, the chosen raw materials are brought to the manufacturing facility in a granular form. Upon arrival at the facility, these elements are combined with necessary additions like plasticizers, which infuse the eraser with a soft and adaptable texture, facilitating a smooth erasing experience without tearing the paper. To add a visual appeal to the erasers, coloring agents are also mixed in, giving them either vibrant hues or more subtle tones based on the specific design requirements. The mixture of ingredients then goes into large mixing machines. These machines knead and blend the components evenly, ensuring no clumps and an even color distribution across the mixture. This step is crucial in establishing a consistent base material. Ready for the next phases of manufacturing? Fascinated by the world of erasers? Hit subscribe to unravel more hidden stories behind everyday objects. Molding. After achieving the desired consistency in the mixing stage, the next phase is molding. This process is where the semi-liquid mixture is transformed into a solid, recognizable eraser shape. The mixture is transferred into molds, which come in various shapes and sizes depending upon the final product's design. These molds are placed in special machines that exert pressure, helping to form the eraser's precise shape while eliminating any air bubbles that might have been trapped inside, ensuring a uniform and flawless texture. After filling the molds, they are subjected to a heating process, which facilitates the setting of the material into a solid state. This step is crucial as it helps in giving the eraser its durability and firmness, while maintaining a certain level of softness for effective erasing. Once the material has solidified, the molds are cooled to make the extraction of the newly formed erasers easier. They are then ejected from the molds, inspected for any imperfections, and prepared for the next steps in the production process, which involve further refinement and finishing touches. Cutting after curing. The erasers enter the cutting and shaping phase. This is the point where they begin to resemble the final product. Large slabs or sheets of cured eraser material are transported to the cutting section of the manufacturing facility. Here, precise machinery takes on the role of giving these slabs their familiar rectangular shapes or any other creative forms that might appeal to users, be it animals, objects, or varied geometrical shapes. Using sharp blades and state-of-the-art technology, the erasers are cut uniformly to ensure consistency in size and shape. This process must be meticulously orchestrated to avoid wastage of materials and to achieve the desired level of precision. The erasers might also be rounded or smoothed at the edges to give them a fine finish and a comfortable grip. Simultaneously, for erasers that are meant to sit at the end of pencils, a hole is bored in one end to facilitate easy attachment. This process must ensure the eraser fits snugly and stays put during use. Before we explore the final step, let's take a moment to note the interesting variations in erasers across the world. In Japan, erasers become collectibles, crafted with intricate details and often featuring puzzle-like elements. Meanwhile, in Europe and North America, the focus remains on functionality, offering a range of shapes and sizes to suit diverse needs, from the commonplace pink eraser to specialist variants used by artists. In developing nations, the emphasis is on affordability and accessibility, ensuring every child has the essential tools for education. Alongside, the growing demand for sustainable products is steering the market towards eco-friendly erasers. Packaging. In the final stage of production, the freshly made erasers are prepared to make their way to stores around the world. Initially, they are sorted with precision, categorized according to their various shapes and sizes. Following this, they are packaged, a process that could involve enclosing them in simple plastic wraps or placing them in specially designed themed boxes if they are part of a special edition. The packaging isn't just about protection during transportation. It also plays a vital role in making the product retail-ready, presenting the erasers in a manner that is both attractive and eye-catching for potential buyers in stores. Moreover, as the erasers are packaged, there is a final quality check. This ensures that every single eraser that is shipped from the factory meets the stringent standards set for quality and performance, ready to assist users in their writing or artistic endeavors. If you've enjoyed our content, please make sure to watch our other videos in the link boxes above.